subscribers that I will tell you how you can fix your phone. So if you see carrier settings update on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So now for fixing it, you just need first thing, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully update your carrier. Also, if it doesn't work, you can also just try to remove your SIM card and just put inside again. And if you still have this error, so just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find airplane mode. So just try to turn it on and turn off. Also, another thing you can try also to go to cellular. Just open cellular data and just try to turn it on and turn off. And after, you can try to restore your phone. So you can also just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down. Just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel if you like, and goodbye.